spelling. This under the course outcome of CO1 and under the blue level of K3 and K4. That is apply and analyzing.